Oh, hey there, guys. Welcome to my channel. I just thought I'd give you guys an unboxing video of my brand new addition to my, I guess, humble audio set. Basically, this is my first CD player called the Pioneer PD-10AE. I actually wanted the silver version, but this ended up being the black version, which is totally fine. It was on sale. I actually bought it a few months ago and hadn't had a chance to, kind of do anything with it just yet. So you're actually getting a chance to see me open it up, on camera, and just thought I'd share it on my channel. Mostly into video games overall for this channel, but I am also getting involved in audio gear and yeah, just slowly adding a few items to my collection. So basically, when you open the box, you get the manual, obviously, with the RCA cable and a remote. And just gonna get out the rest of the get rid of the foam in the box here. It comes pretty well packaged overall. Gotta love that inner covering and that yellow tape. So the overall construction of the CD player, pretty minimalist. The buttons are, they're pretty well made in the front, and it's pretty, I wouldn't say overly heavy, but it's definitely solid in construction. I did want to have a setup video for this and showing you guys some music, but ended up having to re-edit this video just due to some of the, I guess, the music I was playing. It got blocked on YouTube, so I ended up just reposting this video. So as you can see from the front, it's pretty basic features in terms of button controls, and on the back, all you really have is just the RCA jacks, and this was replacing a vintage 1980s JVC model that I had picked up earlier, and yeah, I'm pretty happy to just starting to add to my audio setup. What I'm going to be doing is some of my audio gear. I'm going to be integrating it with my gaming setup as well. So just kind of use like some of my stereo equipment. But anyways, thank you for stopping by the channel, and hopefully you can like and subscribe. Cheers.